sending you notes, some practice sheets, some videos. Have you solved that practice sheets that I have sent you? So children, you should try to solve that practice sheet. Okay, children, today I am going to explain you your familiar topic, your grammar lesson 1, that is lesson 1, the alphabet. Okay, so you are learning this alphabet from your nursery section in form of various rhymes, in form of various stories. Okay, so you are familiar with the topic alphabet. What do you mean by alphabet, children? Children, the alphabet is a set of 26 letters. How many letters are there in alphabet? 26. Which are those? All these A to Z. These all letters are 26 in numbers, and with these 26 letters, that set of alphabet is there, and we can't pronounce it as the alphabets. It is one set. The letters are 26, you can say letters, but alphabet is a single, that is one set, and it has all 26 letters. That's why we can't see that the alphabets, but we can say the letters. Okay. So now children, I am going to read these letters. All these letters have different sounds. Okay. So see, A says A, B says B, C says K, D says D, E says A, F says P, G says G, H says H, I says E, J says J, K says K, L says L, M says M, N says N, O says O, P says P, Q says Q, R says R, S says S, T says T, U says O, V says W, W says W, X says X, Y says Y, Z says Z. Okay, so no two letters have similar sounds. Each and every letter have different sounds. Okay, children. So see. So first I explained you the meaning of alphabet. Alphabet is a set of 26 letters. All these 26 are letters. So you can't say the alphabets. That is a single set. And it has 26 letters. So if there are two letters, we can say letters. Children, I have written this in sequence. From it begins with A and it ends with Z. We can't begin it as with any letter as B, C, F. It has proper sequence, and you have to write with that proper sequence, and that is called alphabetical order. That I have written in alphabetical order. So children, today this alphabetical letter I am going to explain it from your textbook. See, if you have book, you can open page number 6. Now see, this is I am going to read. There are 26 letters in the English alphabet. Okay, each letter of the alphabet makes a different sound that I read in front of you. Now see, read the story. Children, please line up in order, said Miss Jones. Amira stood first in line. Bobby stood in front of Cindy and Danish. Okay, so all these names are according to alphabetical order. See, Amina from A. Bobby from B, then Cindy from C, and then Danish. Okay, then in the same way, Zain, are you in the wrong place? Said Violet. Yuri, should you stand behind me? So, in there, you have to arrange them in alphabetical order. First V, then Y, and then last Z. Okay. So, it is given you here, name of the person behind Bobby. So, behind means after Bobby, who is there, you have to write their name. So, that is Cindy. Then, name the person who should be behind Violet, that is Yuri. Name of the person who should be last in line, that is Zain. It is from Z. So see, here also you have all letters and some are missing. So you have to complete them. Okay. So next exercise, page number 7. So children see. Fill in the missing letters below in alphabetical order to help the puppy find its bone. That puppy is finding its bone and you have to help him by filling the missing letters. So here A, B is given, C, then D, then after that D, 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 E, F, then G, H, then I, then after I, J. K, L is given, K, L, M, then after M, N, then O, P, Q, then R, S, then T, U, V, W, then again you have to write X, Y and last Z. Okay. So children see, name the pictures below. You have to write the names of all these pictures. So first is hat. So it is H-A-T, hat. Then second picture is of fish. So you can write here write the name of that fish. Cap. You should write the spelling of cap. Next is pot. So you should write the spelling of pot. Next, write the names of pictures above in alphabetical order. Now you have completed the writing work of that pictures. Okay, hat, fish, cap and pot you have completed. Now you have to write it according to alphabetical order. So how you will write? See. Here first is hat, second is fish. Okay, the next is cap and last is pot. So children, first you should make sound like A. Here no word begins with A. Then B, no B. Then C, S. This is C. So you should write it first. This is cap. So you should write it first. Then after C, what will come? D. So no word from D. Then D, E also from there. Then F. Fish. F, fish. Okay. So in this way you can write it in second number. Okay. Then fish. After that E, F, G, no G. H is there. So you can write the spelling of hat. Okay. H. Then no doubt all you have covered. Then last is last. Understood? So after that you can write it pot. Okay. So in this way you can arrange them in alphabetical order. See. Okay. So cap, second is fish, then hat and then last pot. Okay. So now see, in the same way you have given some pink, skirt, long, favorite, all these words. First you should search word from A, B and whenever you are habitual of that, then you can see the P, Q, R, S, L. Then first which letter come, you arrange that word first. After that which letter come, you should arrange the word from that letter afterwards. In this way you can complete this. Okay children? See, When we use the term alphabet, we mean the entire set of 26 letters. And when we want to refer to particular letter, we say letters of the alphabet, not alphabets. Understood? So children, I have completed your alphabet topic, only their sound and alphabetical order. So see you soon in next period, children.